Hi! Welcome back to my channel, and this time mag-unbox tayo, of course, the Realme C25. Of course, with the trademark color ng Realme, yellow-orange, o may pagka-yellow siya. And then, Realme C25 sa front. Then, on the top, the Realme logo, same on the side, and nothing under the phone. And on the back of the phone, ito, nakasulat dito is 48 megapixel AI triple camera, 6000 mAh mega battery, and Helio G70 gaming processor, and 18-watt quick charger. So the color of this phone is water gray with 4GB of ROM and 64GB of internal memory. At first, I was hesitant to get this one kasi sabi ko baka pareho lang sila ng Narzo 30A kasi medyo close na yung specs sila, medyo almost the same na. Tapos sabi ko baka sayang budget ko kasi wala pa tayong masyadong budget for the new phone. So, but then nakita ko naman yung ibang specs sa cameras, may difference pala sila. So, curious din ako sa gaming performance ng phone, and of course, the video and the photo of this phone. And of course, the camera of this phone. Okay, unbox na natin. And hey, welcome to Realme family. Realme. Of course, nandito ang SIM ejector pin. And then, wow! May free jelly case. Yan. Lagay mo natin dito. Of course, the papers. The phone itself. Ito muna. And what's inside the box? Cardboard. The charger. And the Type-C cord. Nothing inside. Wala na. Ito na. Okay, balik na natin. The exciting part for me and for you also is the phone. Ito. Water gray. Tagayan muna natin to. Ito. So, here's the water gray. So, in simple terms, in our color, it's just like a dark gray. And, andito yung fingerprint sensor. Obviously, sa likod. Okay, I'll set up this phone and be back in a while. So, fast forward and we're back. Na-set up ko na yung phone. So, going back with the screen size, it is 6.5 inches with the resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. And it is IPS LCD. May free screen protector na siya. Naka-pre-installed na siya. So, okay siya. And then at the back, it's made of plastic material. Maganda siya kasi hindi siya matakaw sa fingerprint and smudges. And sa likod, it is the fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone. Fingerprint sensor, face recognition, tsaka passcode or pin code para mag-unlock yung phone. So, test natin yung fingerprint scanner sa likod, yung response niya. Lock ulit. Unlock. Sa face, mabilis lang siya. Ulit. Yun. Again. Kahit sa madilim or pag lamp lang ilaw ninyo, mag-unlock ka agad siya sa face unlocking. So, okay siya para sa akin. And itong phone, medyo may kabigatan siya. It is 204 grams. Medyo mabigat siya. And then, lalagyan pa natin ng jelly case. Pero okay lang, basta protected yung phone naman. Kasi may jelly case siya. So, ito yung camera setup. It has 3 cameras. Very common, no guys, yung camera setup dito sa gilid. Yung may pa-square sila sa corner. And of course, on the right side, yung volume control and the power button still there. And at the bottom of the phone, andito yung headphone jack, the microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and the loudspeaker. Sa left side, nandito yung SIM card tray Pwede siyang dalawang SIM card and one memory card. On the top, we have nothing. And it has only one speaker sa ilalim, yung loudspeaker. And of course, the camera in front. Dew drop notch camera. And this phone is certified by TÜV Rheinland. Yung TÜV Rheinland is an accreditation company for the quality, yun. So, nag-audit sila for your quality and or customer service of your company. Minsan, pag nakikita natin may mga ibang company or establishment, may symbol ng TÜV Rheinland or TÜV, ibig sabihin, accredited sila, well accredited, and yung quality nila is maganda. And it has 6,000 mAh mega battery. Expect na natin yung battery life nito will last 1 to 2 days, ganun if light user tayo. And it includes the 18-watt quick charge. This is also with Helio G70 gaming processor and run by Android 11 Realme UI 2.0. For the camera, it has 48 megapixel main camera and this is international version. And I think sa local version, it is 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth. And the video can record 1080p at 60 frames per second. And yun ang gusto ko, 60 fps sa video. And it has 8 megapixel selfie camera or front camera. So here are the sample pictures and videos. For taking pictures, wala naman naging problem or difficulty kasi very colorful siya and vivid colors. Ang medyo problem lang is the portrait back camera. Medyo mahirap i-focus ang subject kasi gusto mong i-perfect yung blurry background tsaka yung pag-focus sa subject natin. Pero overall, yung result naman maganda. Okay yung pag-separate ng subject tsaka yung background niya. For the macro shot, meron siya ultra macro shot. Check natin. Nandito siya sa more and ultra macro shot. I had fun taking macro shot kasi Instagrammable siya eh. Tapos you can take picture of grains, yung flower, foods. So ayan, binigyan ko yung idea ha. Okay naman pag take ng macro, colorful din siya. Overall, pati video okay lang sa akin pero hindi siya stabilized both front and back camera. Pero of course 60 fps pag nag-edit kayo, making yung slow motion, maganda naman siya. And sa front camera, wala naman ako na-encounter any problems. And now for the games. Sa Mobile Legends, meron siyang HFR mode and up to high graphics. Okay naman yung playing, smooth yung graphics, magandang graphics, pero pagdating na sa pag-clash, yung maraming mga kalaban sa character, medyo nagsa-slow mo na yung game, nagsa-slow motion siya. So in-adjust ko yung graphics sa medium. And for COD or Call of Duty games, yung graphic quality niya is up to medium lang. And it has high frame rate. Na-experience ko rin siya ng few frame drop while playing COD. O minsan nag-freeze din yung paglaro natin sa game. Pero try natin i-adjust yung graphic quality rin niya. Bago pala ako mag-play ng games ng COD or Mobile Legends, clear ko muna yung cache neto or yung memory and close ko muna lahat ng running applications para paglaro natin yung game hindi masyado disturbo. So, ganun yung results kanina. When it comes to audio quality or loudspeaker, I have no problems with that. Sasabihin ko naman talaga kung hindi maganda yung audio quality, and pansin ka agad natin kung pangit yung loudspeaker or hindi maganda yung loudspeaker. So overall, yung loudspeaker na itong phone, okay naman siya. Typical, the usual tunog ng loudspeaker na what it should be sa mga phone. Watching videos, YouTube or Netflix, okay tong phone kasi 6.5 inches and pansin mo yung bezels niya, manipis lang siya. So parang sakop mo yung buong screen. Tapos, pag manonood kayo ng YouTube, may tip ako. Medyo i-bright ninyo yung phone ninyo and then click nyo yung tatlong dot dito sa side. And then select ninyo quality and then choose advanced. And then choose nyo yung 144p60. Tapos, expand ninyo. Yan. Doon nyo ma-enjoy pag-watch ng mga movies and videos sa phone. Ayun. And of course, depende rin sa nag-upload kung may available ng mas higher quality ng video. Overall performance of this phone, okay na okay sa akin. Hindi siya nag-hang or nagkaka-problem pag nag-open ako ng multiple applications. Of course, while playing games, nagsiswitch ako minsan sa Facebook kasi minsan pag na-out tayo sa Mobile Legends, ang tagal bago ma-revive yung character natin. So, switch ako sa Facebook. Wala naman problem, mabilis naman siya. And then, hindi siya nag-overheat. That's what I like. Hindi siya nag-overheat. So, I enjoyed using this phone. And of course, if we compare this to Narzo 30A, I think yung Narzo 30A, mas okay siya for gaming. Pagdating sa videos and pictures, mas okay tong C25. So, pag hindi kayo masyadong particular sa gaming, so, ito kunin niyo C25. Maganda yung camera ninyo. The price of this phone is 7,490 pesos. So, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And I enjoyed using this phone. I encountered no problems at all. So, again, guys, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye!